Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Adalah Kumbah bin Muhammad Nasir. My matrix number 01DE24F1033. Hello everyone. Today I be presenting practical work 3, which is all about the bipolar junction transistor or BJT. BJT are one of the most important component in electronic circuit. They are used widely for amplification, boosting signals, and switching, turning circuit on or off electronically. A BJT has 3 terminals and come in 2 main types, NPN and PNP. They are made from semiconductors, mainly silicon or germanium. This experiment helps us understand how BJT works in a circuit by focusing on their terminals, types, and material. The objective of this practical is to understand the structure of a BJT, learn how current flow through its terminals, differentiate between NPN and PNP types, and identify the material used to manufacture BJTs. So let's dive into the structure and functionality of this powerful device. Number 2, BJT terminals and function. A BJT has 3 terminals. Base B, the control terminal which regulates the current. Collector C, the terminal where the current flow in. Emitter E, the terminal that push carriers into the base. Think of the BJT like a water valve. The base is the handle that control the flow. The emitter is the water source and the collector is the output pipe. Here how they work. The base emitter junction is forward bias. The collector base junction is reverse bias. This arrangement allows a small current at the base to control a much larger current between the collector and emitter. Show a current flow diagram for NPN and PNP. In NPN transistor, current flows from collector to emitter with electron as the majority carriers. In PNP transistor, current flows from emitter to collector with holes as the majority carriers. The base must be correctly biased to allow current flow. BJT are called bipolar because both electron and holes are involved in conduction. This terminal arrangement made BJT useful for amplifying signals. For example, a microphone signal to drive a speaker can be amplified using a BJT. Okay, for NPN has 3 terminal. First terminal is base, collector, and emitter. Okay, for PNP has 3 terminal, emitter, collector, base. Okay, for this NPN has 3 terminal, terminal 1, terminal 2, and terminal 3. Okay, for terminal 1 and terminal 2, you get the value is infinity. For terminal 1 and terminal 3, we get the value infinity. Terminal 2 and terminal 1, we get the value is 7.5 ohms. Terminal 2 and terminal 3, we get the same value. Terminal 1 and terminal 3, we get the infinity. Terminal 2 and terminal 3, we get the 7.5 ohm. Number 4, BJT materials. Now let's talk about what BJT are made of. The 2 common materials used are silicon and germanium. Silicon is the most widely used today, and here why. It has high thermal stability, so it performs better at higher temperatures. It has lower leakage current, it's cheaper and more abundant. It offers better control of manufacturing using modern fabrication technique. Germanium, on the other hand, was used in early transistor, has a lower voltage drop, which made it useful in some audio circuit, but it less stable at higher temperature and more sensitive to heat. That's why modern BJT are almost always made from silicon. It gives us consistent performance, especially in power and signal application. Okay, for number 5 is conclusion. To conclude, this experiment gave us a deep look into how BJT work and why they are essential. We learn BJT have three terminal: base, collector, and emitter. A small base current control a large collector emitter current, making BJT excellent amplifier. There are two types, MPN and PNP, which differ in charge carriers and current flow. Silicon is the most commonly used material in BJT because of its superior thermal and electrical properties. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone designing electronic circuit, whether you are building a simple amplifier or a complex microcontroller-based system. Knowing how BJT function will help you build efficient and reliable circuit. Thank you for watching, and I hope this help you understand BJT better.